In organic chemistry, safety is paramount. I'd like to introduce you to Jane, our safety officer.
Hi, I'm Jane Schieber. I'm the equipment manager and safety officer for Peckham Hall. So I'm going to go over some general lab safety guidelines. Here we are in a lab hood in Peckham Hall 228, which is the organic lab, and I just briefly would like to go over how to use a sash. This is the sash door to the hood. If you're using volatile chemicals, you should have the sash pulled down so that it's covering your face, and you'll be working inside the hood like this. The hood should not be cluttered. This is actually rather cluttered at the moment, so this is an example of what not to do. If you're using strong acids, you should be in the hood also. If there's a risk of spilling, always have your gloves on. I have my glasses on, my lab coat. You want to protect your arms and your face and your body from any chemical exposure. So that's the hood. The hood has a lot of air movement, and we don't want to block the front of the hood or the back of the hood. That's where the air is moving through. So we also have filtration setups in each lab. This is called a trap. You should not use the house vacuum without a trap. This is going to collect any condensed liquids and solvents. Please do not dump any of these liquids into the drain. They need to be sent out as waste. We also have a heating mantle in here. Now, unfortunately, our heating mantles sometimes disintegrate and fall apart. You need to thoroughly inspect the heating mantles. If the center is exposed and you see wires, that is unsafe. This also is not a good situation, and we're going to fix some of these for the summer. So heating mantles need to be inspected also. Right now we're going to talk about waste from the laboratory. A general rule is you do not put waste down the drain. So if you're unsure, do not put waste down the drain. If your instructor tells you it's safe to put down the drain, that's fine. But mostly, in the organic lab especially, you will not be putting waste down the drain. First, we're going to talk about cleaning dirty glassware. Many times when you're washing glassware, water is not going to be enough to clean everything out. So we do an acetone wash, which will dissolve any solids that we have, but you cannot put the acetone wash down the drain. So we would need to either collect that in another beaker, or we would collect it in our waste container here. And then the remainder of the small amount of acetone that's in the glassware will quickly evaporate, and then you'll have a fully cleaned beaker. So that's number one. Number two, when you have your waste from your laboratory experiments, many times it's going to be waste solvents or other byproducts from your reactions. We usually have this rather ugly waste buckets that you would dump your liquid waste into here, and then my lab workers will transfer that waste to another container and label it. If you're ever needing to label a waste bottle, we have these Nazareth stickers, and you would write on here exactly what it is and why it's hazardous. So you might also collect solid waste. Many times you have crystals or precipitates or even consumable products that are solids. Usually there'll be a container labeled solid waste, and that's where you would dump your items. We often have this big container, and you can see we have weigh boats and weighing paper in there, and we also dispose of that as hazardous waste. Just a quick talk about PPE, which is personal protective equipment, and also some of the emergency response equipment in the room. So we have fire extinguisher foam here. Over here we have emergency shower and eye wash. So the emergency shower, you pull the lever and the water will come down here. You need to stay under it for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Here's the eye wash. This is going to come out as a table, and you would put your head in there and you would flood your face, take off your safety glasses. So here I am in gloves, safety glasses, lab coat. So your instructor will inform you every lab what kind of PPE that you need to be wearing that day based on the materials you're using. But most of the time, you'll be using gloves and safety glasses. If you wish, you can wear a lab coat if you feel more comfortable, or if you come to lab in shorts or ripped pants or exposed chest, we may have you put on a lab coat, and just so that you'll have extra protection for that. We also have spill cleanup and first aid. Those are in the prep room. But if you ever have a spill, we want you to tell your instructor immediately, and we will come and help clean up the spill.
It is not possible for us to teach you everything in this short video, so please, if you have any questions about safety, just ask. You can ask myself or Jane, the safety officer. And please have a great semester, stay safe, and enjoy the ride.